Ever wonder if you could trigger an automation using a contact list with people already in it? Keep watching, because that's the video I'm gonna show you today. Remember that the trigger states that start this series after a contact is added to the list. This means that only when new contacts are added to the trigger list, the automation will trigger. If you add a trigger list with contacts already in it, these contacts will not go through the automation. But there is a way to trigger the automation manually. Let me show you. Let me log into my SendFox account. I will later create an automation and trigger it with a list with existing contacts in it. I will use this list My Test Contacts. Let me now create a new automation. I'll start with a blank one. Here I'm being asked which list should trigger the automation. I will give that a go. Let me label my automation. In order to test this, let me create a sequence email. I'll uncheck the tick box to ensure that I can send emails even to my inactive contacts. Complete the email and save it. I'll change the delay period to no delay to send the sequence email right away. I'll save the changes. As you can see, the automation is running, but no one is queued to it. Here's the trick. Open your automations page. Take note of the trigger list. This is to make sure that you will run the automation to the correct list. Toggle this button and select Add Subscribers. On the next page, you will be asked what list you wish to trigger the automation with. Then, click Add New Subscribers to the queue. You will then see that your contacts are queued to the first email in the automation. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful, but please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. If you have questions, email us at support@sendfox.com or ping us on social media. Links are on the description box below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.